All right.
The timer did go off, so I'm gonna put it on hold. All right, renaming tens. Everybody look up here. Purple. 8 tens. Will, tell me how much 8 tens is.
80.
80, which is what? An 8 and a?
0.
Yes. Autumn, tell me how much 5 tens is.
50.
50. Good job. Which is a 5 and a 0. Next, Sean, what is 11 tens?
100.
Not Sean, Connor. I don't want to call you Sean. Connor. What is 11 tens?
It would be 110.
110, which is 110. Johnny, what is 10 tens? 100.
100.
What is 13 tens?
130.
130.
130.
130. Awesome. All right. Miles, what is 16 tens?
160.
160, which is 160.
And a 0.
How did you get your answer? How did you know how to do this? Did you skip count by tens?
Yeah. No, I just knew.
You just knew? You just
Yeah.
know. Did
I
anybody-
counted by 10s on the 13 and the 16. Oh, I just knew.
Somebody in the class earlier said, you know what I did? I just knew this was a tens place, so they just put a 0 in the ones place and found their number. Who did that? Will, did you do that?
Technically, I don't know, but
Technically? That's kind of a smart little trick, huh? If this is the tens place, just put a 0 in your ones place. Everybody got that? Because I'm about to erase.
yes, ma'am. I did put a 0 in right.
You don't have to. That was just a trick Miss Lacey was showing you that you can get the answer.
Oh.
It's a quick way to work that problem. All right, number 1. What is the total capacity? That word really threw you guys off. What is the total capacity of the juice and the milk? Now I'm going to underline this word total because it's telling me something. It's giving me a clue. If they ask for the total, what do they want you to do? They want you to add. So what am I adding? I'm adding the juice and the milk. 100 plus 125 equals what? Go to your ones place. 5. Somebody say it.
225.
Is that correct or is there something missing?
No, you have to label it.
I have to label it.
Milliliters.
Milliliters.
I didn't label it.
Ah, you gotta label it so they know that you're talking about milliliters. So they don't think you're talking about cookies or puppies or something. You gotta be very specific. Number 2, Darren drinks 2 containers of milk. How many milliliters did he drink in all? There's my clues right there. In all. So what do you think they want me to do? Add. And what am I gonna add? Milk? How many times? 2. So let's see. 125
Plus another.
plus 125 equals what? Jaden?
250. Wait.
Let's do it right here together. Ready? What is 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Good job. So I'm going to put the 1 on top. What is 2 plus 2?
4.
Okay. And then I added 1 to that. 4 plus 1 is?
5.
5. And then what is 1 plus 1?
2.
2. So 250 what?
Yes.
Milliliters. ML. Make sure you have it on your paper.
What about that one?
I'm about to do it. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. Do you have 1 and 2?
Wait. Yes. Wait, is that? Okay. I got 1 and
250. 250 milliliters.
Okay, done.
Thank you. So I'm ready to erase. I'm moving on to number 3. Yes?
Yes.
There it goes. Okay. Making sure.
Mr. Roberts is covered.
Bless you. All right. Number 3. Mr. Roberts drinks 1 cup of coffee and a milk. how many milliliters did he drink? There's my clue words, in all. So what am I supposed to do? Well, I can't see it. Somebody tell me. I see milk is 125, coffee's what?
180.
So 180 plus 125 equals what, Autumn?
200. Wait.
Number 3. How much?
305.
305 what?
Milliliters.
Milliliters. Good job.
I was right on that one. I was right on one too.
You was right.
Yeah,
What
I
do
was
you
right
need, Leah?
too.
You want to do number 4?
Can I do number 4?
Leah had her hand up. I'm going to call on Leah. At lunch, Brady drinks half of his juice. How many did he drink? How many milliliters did he drink? So they want to know what half of this juice up here, which is 100. What is half of 100?
Well, I know.
I need 100 divided into 2 parts. So what is half of 100, Leah?
Well, first,
Mm-hmm.
5 plus 5 equals 10.
Yeah.
Well, we just add 2 zeros to that. So 10,
Mm-hmm.
well, 1 0 to 10 equals 100. So if you subtract 5, if you subtract 10 from 5, it would equal 5. So we just add a 0 to that. That would mean the number is 50.
50. It would be 50 milliliters because we know that 50 is half of 100. Because like she said, you can break it down into 100 is 10 tens. And so if you break that down, half of 10 is 2 fives. So she just did that by breaking it down into tens. What's another way you could do it? Did anybody think of it like money, like $1? 100 pennies equal $1? Is that how you did it, Johnny?
I did 100 minus 50 equals 50.
Because you just knew 50 was half.
Yeah.
All right. Does everybody got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thumbs up.
10
All right,
nickels
make
also
sure-
equals $1.
20 nickels equals $1. 10 equals 50. All right, I want you to make sure your name is on it. Go turn it into the basket, please.
Oh, I said nickels. I
I got you. Y'all are a mess.